What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Treasure Monroe, and if you are new here, welcome. If you are already a part of the family, then welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial, get ready with me video. So I'm not going to be talking during this video. I love watching Dr. Darius Daniels, so I'm about to watch. He just posted a video yesterday and I didn't get to watch it, so I'm about to watch that. Without further ado, let's get into this video, guys.
So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You're so scared of real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview? You think I like your body when I just caught close that I knew it looked good on you? Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Real love, real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. No, you don't have to try so hard. Let go of your pride. Baby, come let down your guard. Safe to come inside.
I haven't actually liquid contoured in like forever, so I just put darker concealer on to contour, like cream contour first, and I haven't done that in ages. I just wanted to throw that in there real quick because I have not done that in quite a long time. So we're gonna see how this goes today, okay? Just want to let y'all know. Okay, all right, very good.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate run, and so will you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I get my money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just cop close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run and
Boy, I just put my lashes on off camera. I thought the camera was going, but it wasn't. So I just put on some lip liner. I'm going in with my lipstick from Juvias place, and this is from the new Peaches collection, and it is the Velvet Matte Lipstick in Libra. And y'all, I just used a brown, just a regular old brown. Hold on. So I just used a brown eyeliner pencil. This is from Ruby Kisses, Ultra Easy Brown from the beauty supply store to line my lips with. And this lipstick together, this combination for me is just like, girl, it's everything. So
baby, come let down your guard. You think I get my money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just cop close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as
now we go, like I said, I'm gonna go over with some gloss.
you're so scared
I'm going to,
of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned.
that was a lot of gloss, y'all. I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna pat this powder off my nose. I'm gonna highlight my nose, and I'm just gonna tap it in, just like that. So I'm gonna take a palette that has any type of shimmer shade in it. Let's go with gold today. Why not? Now we're gonna spray our face, and then like so. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm not going to do any lash, like mascara, anything on my bottom lashes. I'm going to keep it clean, sleek, nothing. I'm about to do my hair. I'm going to pop on some clothes, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look. And yeah, that's what we're going to do, okay? Right, you guys, so this is the final look. Again, y'all see I got my beanie on, my hat, because it is freezing outside. Again, it is freezing. And so I still want to be super cute though. So it's a look. I love it. Cute. It's simple. I did have a change of plans. It is now 12:45. My mentor canceled on me because of the weather. So we decided to postpone it or reschedule for another day. But I still have some errands to run. I'm gonna run to the bank for my husband. And then I'll probably go by TJ Maxx and do a little bit of shopping or something. I want to look at getting like some watches, like gold watches, and some dangly earrings. Just looking for some different types of jewelry. So yeah, I'm about to go get ready to do that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is the end of the video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
You need to hear when I just shipped it.
For due season, you shall reap if you faint not. Don't play with me. Do y'all hear me? Do not play with me. Because God is talking to me. I'm just excited. I'm just excited. This word be good. It be good. It be good. It be good.